So yeah, the bus. Wondering where my bike has went. Well, status update on that. The bicycle is under repair. Or the way we can say it is, we're waiting for a part for repairing the bicycle. It can run, but you know, to what extent can it run to until the crankset fails? You never know. Anyway, so here we are at Finch. We're going to be heading downtown for a little something special. Because this year has been awful, I decided that I should revisit an old monument. Monument? It's not the right word. Decided to revisit the CN Tower. See you guys in 30 minutes. And at long last, we have arrived to our lovely CN Tower, which I believe had opened around the middle of June or July. I don't recall. But yeah, visiting this thing is always a treat. I've done a little bit of research on this tower. Being a really giant beast, needs to find its way to suspend itself in foundation. This sort of foundation that I speak of is actually connected by really thick wires. And these thick wires that run all along the foundation at the bottom is supposedly supposed to hold the tower regardless of wind and earthquake. Well, we don't ever get earthquakes here. Never had a big earthquake at all. It's a really long way up. I have to break my neck just to look directly up at this thing. And from what I see, there's something sticking over there from the observation deck. It looks like they're cleaning the windows. I could be wrong. Let me just have a look at the time here. Yeah, so we're gonna have to kill time here for a moment. Here we are with our ticket. So, because I don't want to wait 20 minutes, our visit will be swift. Hello. Here you go.
And before you head up, just grab a contact tracing form. Just your name and a phone number. And there's pencils and a table to fill it out before you head on the elevator.
Before I head up to the elevator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on the way.
Alright, thank you. Building with this was, as you can see, very interesting. I think the more of the fun started when they built that deck over there, where they had to use helicopters. Originally, this was supposed to be a signaling tower to use as a radio because, you know, for reasons unknown, they want to throw a really large network up there. Canadian National Networks. Now it's just the attraction set for us to visit. That's the wire that I've mentioned that holds up everything. Foundation was built pretty tough. There's a lot of noise here for no people. Alrighty. I guess I will stand. Oh wow, I've got a full elevator to myself. Alright, so this will be fun. This can't be right. Oh wow, a full elevator to myself. Lovely. So yeah, this thing goes up pretty fast, not gonna lie. There's Ripley's aquarium. I wish I was facing towards the city, but we've got a nice distorted view of the lake here. My ears are popping, holy. We're still going up. Dude, you can see the entire Tommy Thompson Park. Well, not anymore. We've arrived. Glass floor, oh that's lovely. Hi there. To the left, thank you. So yeah, last time I was here, they were rebuilding this whole place. And I can see what they've done. They've completely reduxed the whole place. Oh, that's quite a drop. It's absolutely lovely to be back up here again. You get a great view of literally everything. Alright, so this will be interesting. I've decided to challenge myself up here and one of the things I've always wanted to try while I'm up here is to locate Yonge Street. It's relatively not that hard, but following up Yonge Street is where the challenge begins. Let's go by memory here. So the construction site. Alright, that's Union Station. Just at where the Sony is, down there, would be the same. So down there where there's Union Station is Yonge Street, and if you follow that line all the way up, there's Dundas Square. Past Dundas Square all the way over there, uptown. You get to see basically everything up here, and you get to hear everything as well. Sorry. So high rise over there, you're basically downtown, I'd say industrial district. Look how many towers the CD have. 5 of them. CIBC, Scotiabank, BMO, the big banks, all up here. And then if you follow up Yonge Street, yeah, you basically get to see just about darn everything. So if that's Yonge Street, somewhere here should be Dufferin Street. That's University right there. And Dufferin has a bridge, so we're gonna have to look out for a bridge down here. That bridge right there is Dufferin Street. They've closed the bridge down. Interesting. So if we follow Dufferin all the way up there, it's quite the distance. It's impressive that I can cycle this far from the CN Tower and back. Even more impressive to see the whole route. The water looks so nice to swim in. Look at that ferry. That's actually an old boat moving over there. Let me see if I can take a photo of that thing. Look at that. That's actually awesome. You don't get to see those things moving at all. Lovely. Toronto Island is right in front of us. Never got to see Toronto Island, but I see a lot of beaches, and that's very tempting. I would love to go swimming today. Oh, look, a ferry. Yeah, that's right. The Toronto ferry's back up. Completely forgot about that. And that right there, spanning all the way around, is Tommy Thompson. You start right there, then you go all the way over here. It's gonna get really windy, basing by experience. So, off we go. Okay, it's actually not that windy. Wow. I was expecting a lot of wind. Like, a lot of wind. Actually, I think I know why. We're facing the wrong direction. Just gonna follow this one way. The wind has to hit us eventually. But listen to that. It's just the sound of the city. Just listen. There's just so many noises of engines and construction. You can literally hear all of the construction up here. There's no wind at all here. Count me lucky, man. I expect it to be extremely windy. Like, wowee windy. But, as it seems, it's not. It's absolutely nice to be up here. It's such a good breeze. Going up the Sky Pod would be interesting, but two things. A, it's not as fun up there as it is up down here, because I've been there last year too. It's a pretty small place. I don't think they'll let us up. But hey, here we are with the glass panel. Walking on this thing is absolutely terrifying. Looking down. Oh man. Here's proof that you're completely safe. So you can do this and not worry about anything. Does it scare me? Absolutely. But yeah. If I laid down, would I be in trouble? It's a really good question. Well, you never know. Unless you try. Oh, golly. It's absolutely terrifying to look at the mirror. Now imagine if you were to fall. You have like a good 10 seconds to pray. You really have only 10 seconds. Well, you never know unless you try. Do I want to? Hell no. So, that being said,
I'm falling and I can't turn back.
now we're coming back down this terrifying elevator. Now that we're getting accustomed to atmosphere, my ears are returning to me. And the elevator is shaking. That's unsettling. We're going down, down, and down, down. Almost there. I'm gonna enjoy my time over there now. See what the city has to offer. But coming up here, part of my soul came back. Ooh, that was like 0.2 G's. Holy, do you see that thing over there? Golly. Hi there. Off my step. That's right. Greeted by the gift shop. I didn't expect this. Let's see how expensive everything is. I remember having these at Baltimore, made in China. Oh, it's only $8. It's actually tempting. Well, what else do they have? Does that take a full hour, or am I just guessing here? Gotta love the gift shop. Стакан можно купить. Should I buy a cup? I'd love me a CN Tower cup. I like this cup. What's the price? $12? That's a steal, my friend. Wait, if this is $12, then how much is this guy? Golly, also 12. Oh, that's just intimidating. That's also $12. $12. Here's your difference. God damn. Big difference if you ask me. Thank you. Take care. Where should we go next? Well, I'll tell you one thing. Wherever we go, we're gonna take that off so I can breathe. Righty. Farewell, you big beast. I'll see you once the world has restored its own order. Whenever that will happen. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed my visit. Going up and down there costs your ears, but you get to see a way lot more than you used to here. Anything to pass the time and anything to have fun. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna descend into this urban city. Take care.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard for love to end.